2018 Toyota Camry. We went ahead and added the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm. When you on the factory alarm, you're going to hit lock, and it's going to give you that little dash red light right there in the center console towards the right. If anybody tries to bust out the lug nut locks, or it protects the whole vehicle from bumper to bumper. It came with a factory alarm, of course. They all do. But the problem is that they don't come with any type of impact sensor. So as long as you don't open any of the doors or the hood of the trunk, it will not fire off. So you kind of have to add a shock sensor to it in order to make it like an aftermarket alarm without having to install another alarm and having to carry another remote control in your keychain. So this is very nice add-on because we can convert it like if it was an aftermarket alarm without having to install another alarm on top of another alarm and keep everything nice and clean. If anybody tries to bust out the wheel nut locks, I'm gonna go ahead and punch the tire here. To turn it off, you're gonna hit unlock the same way you were doing. So this is a nice little add-on to the vehicle, to the factory alarm on this 2018 Toyota Camry. Thank you for watching this video.